Hello, today let's have a comparison video about the iPhone Air versus the iPhone 16 Pro. Yeah, that looks good. This is the ultimate showdown today. Oh yeah, the Zenith, the lightest phone of all time, meets the Pro champion on the market. Apple has launched two absolute powerhouses, one in the last year, one today. But which one is the right for you? Today, the iPhone Air versus the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's start that comparison, baby. Okay, let's start. Design and, of course, the feeling about it. Let's start with the most obvious differences, the design. The iPhone Air was created for one purpose, of course, to be as thin and light as possible. It's just 5.64 millimeter thick. It's an absolute featherweight, and it feels sensational in your hand. The iPhone 16 Pro, on the other hand, is noticeably thicker and heavier too. But why? Of course, because it has to house more technology. Yeah, it's built more robustly, and we can feel that, of course. Now, let's have a look at the display. Both phones have an impressive Super Retina XDR display with 120 Hz ProMotion. But there's a crucial difference in brightness. The iPhone Air achieves an incredible peak brightness of 3000 nits outdoor. That's not only impressive, but also extremely practical on a sunny day. At 2000 nits, the iPhone 16 Pro is also very bright. But the Air has a clear edge here. Devices. The Air also has a slight large display with 6.5 inches than the 16 Pro with 6.3 inches. So I think the Air is better. Let's head up to the camera system. This is where the real difference is, of course. The iPhone Air has a revolutionary 48 megapixel Fusion main camera. This means it combines sensor data for even better megapixel. Fusion main camera, yeah. Photo and offers an integrated 2x telephoto zoom, but it lacks a dedicated telephoto lens. The iPhone 16 Pro is a camera powerhouse. Yes, of course. It offers a triple camera system with a 5x optical zoom. For photo enthusiasts and anyone who loves the zoom, the 16 Pro is the clear winner behind that. However, the iPhone Air has a new 18 megapixel front camera with optical image stabilization that shines especially for selfies. And that's right. This is the best selfie camera I ever seen before. But the entire camera specs are better with the iPhone 16 Pro. Performance and battery, baby. In terms of performance, both devices have tremendous amount of the power. The iPhone Air is equipped with the latest A19 Pro chip. It's marginally faster and even more efficient. The iPhone 16 Pro with an A18 Pro chip is by no means slow. It is still lightning fast and ready for any task out there. As for the battery, the thinner design of the iPhone Air came with a small compromises. The battery is slightly smaller, of course. The iPhone 16 Pro generally lasts longer, but thanks to more efficient chip, the iPhone Air also has an impressive battery life. So, both of them are good with that. Let's go to the Apple Intelligence and conclusion. Apple Intelligence, yeah, it's okay. Both models support Apple Intelligence, Apple's new revolutionary AI features. This makes daily life with both devices easier and smarter. But which one is right for you out there? If you're looking for the absolute slimmest and lightest high-end smartphone and the display is your top priority, then of course the iPhone Air is your device. But if you need the best camera with a true telephoto lens and a maximum battery life, then of course the iPhone 16 Pro is the better choice for you. It's the ultimate all-rounder for the demanding users out there. So, Those were the key differences. Ultimately, of course, the devices comes down to your priorities. Let me know in the comments which one you would choose. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.